Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Salisbury Local and Long Distance Movers Near Me. 3 Movers is an excellent choice for your long-distance move to or from Salisbury, Maryland. When you call us for an estimate, our professional movers will schedule a time to come to your home and walk through with you, looking at everything you want to move. This process is how we create the inventory, a list of what the shipment includes. The inventory is the foundation of the estimate, which we determine using weight and distance. When you are considering vendors for your local move in Salisbury, Maryland, it's a good idea to ask friends and family for recommendations. But don't stop there. Take some time to research the movers you are considering. One resource is the Better Business Bureau, which publishes consumer reviews about movers and develops independent ratings about the companies. You should also ask the movers to show you documentation of their corporate insurance, including workers' compensation, so you know you are protected from liability if anything goes wrong during the movie. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Salisbury moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.